Arknights Endfield. Fix login has expired error. 1. Restart the game. Fully close Arknights and relaunch it. Sometimes the session just timed out. 2. Check server status. If servers are down or under maintenance, login sessions can expire. Visit official social media or server status pages. 3. Verify internet connections. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure your connection is stable. Avoid slow or unstable networks. 4. Clear cache, mobile only. On Android, iOS, clear app cache, not data, to refresh your login session. Reopen the game afterward. 5. Check system date and time. Incorrect device time can invalidate login tokens. Enable automatic date and time. 6. Re-login, switch accounts. Log out completely and log back in. If using third-party login, Google, Apple, Facebook, ensure the account is active and connected. 7. Update the game. Make sure you're running the latest version. Older versions can cause session expiration. 8. Reinstall, last resort. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the game from official sources only. Avoid unofficial APKs or modded files. Important, do not try to bypass login or use modified clients. This will trigger bans or permanent login errors. If you want, I can create a